guys, this is Chucky and stop. And little princess, you might have
see, Princess will try to bite him if he gets
you
on her
might have
nerves.
seen one of her videos, one of Desire videos with me and Princess.
Yeah, him.
And she's in
He
those
can't get
videos.
enough of Princess.
Yeah, she be trying to open up the door sometimes,
Yes.
but she's not allowed.
Chunky's trying to get in the house. Yeah.
So this is Chucky. He got some nice eyes. So
There's
these
just
are
flies that's trying to bite him. We have to get more of this fly.
they are Princess too.
They are. Take them off.
She's wiggling so they won't get on her. And he's
And
so
now we're gonna make
freaking.
Chucky faces. So I'm gonna ask my auntie to record me. Auntie, can you record me?
Give me this.
No, hold it sideways. No, the other way. How I was holding it.
Okay, so we're about to do this YouTube video right now. So, Chucky, Chuck. So this is Chucky over here.
You blocking the camera. I don't need you.
Look, his eyes are so pretty.
This is how you're supposed to hold it, Mama.
So he has some pretty eyes and all of that.
Hold it like this.
This is our little Chucky here.
Alright.
And I can also show you Princess. Keep Princess somewhere so I can do this. This is little Princess. She's so freaking cute.
Chauncey, record me. You're supposed to be recording me. Chauncey!
Chucky, run! So this is Chucky just chasing these two. He wants Princess right now.